Hi there! Today I'm going to talk about Puma. This video is going to be interesting, so watch it till end. Find hidden secrets of the cat.
Cougars, also known as pumas, are solitary and territorial. Males maintain large home ranges that may overlap with several females.
Their habitat ranges from the Canadian Yukon down through the United States, Central America, and across South America to the southern tip of Chile. They are highly adaptable and thrive in diverse environments, including forests, mountains, deserts, swamps, and tropical jungles. They can live 8 to 13 years in the wild, though some live up to 20.
They are obligate carnivores, primarily hunting deer, but also smaller animals like porcupines or raccoons. Pumas are found in diverse habitats, including desert scrub, chaparral, swamps, and forests, usually listed as least concern by the IUCN Red List, though some populations are threatened. They are solitary and territorial, with males maintaining large home ranges that may overlap with several females. While eliminated from much of the eastern US, they have the widest distribution of any New World terrestrial mammal.
Good boy. Going up. Watch your step, big fella. Woo. Look at him go.
Hope you liked this episode. Love to hear more from you. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in next thrilling adventure. Bye-bye.